Can you use a cardboard box as checked luggage? Almost all major airlines accept cardboard boxes as checked baggage as long as they meet the general size and weight limits. Usually up to 23 kgs or 50 centimeters, and a maximum linear dimension of around 158 centimeters. That's length plus width plus height combined. The box must be properly sealed, clearly labeled, and able to hold its shape. It will go through the same security screening as regular luggage. Just remember, cardboard isn't very durable. It can get crushed, torn, or damaged during handling because baggage belts and loading areas are rough. Using a box can make sense if you're shipping bulk items, household stuff, or anything that doesn't need heavy protection. It's cheap, simple, and accepted by airlines, as long as it's sturdy and properly closed. That's it for now, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.